Gallery, the Honourable Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Fiji, and the Chairman of the Parliament of Ukraine. Members will also know that today marks the 4th anniversary of the death of our friend and colleague Sir David Amess, who was murdered in his Southend West constituency in 2021. Sir David was a long-serving Member of Parliament, respected and liked by members across the House, dedicated to his constituency. We remember him fondly. We come to Prime Minister's questions. Tom Rutland.
Question number 1, Mr. Speaker.
Prime Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As you've just said, today marks 4 years since the horrific murder of Sir David Amess. Sir David was much loved across the House, kind and generous, and I know it was a huge loss to many members opposite. May he rest in peace. As we remember Sir David and our friend Joe Cox, of course, I want to take this opportunity to condemn unequivocally the death threats made against the Honourable Member for Clacton. I know the House will welcome the justice that has been done. Whatever our disagreements, we are all parliamentarians, and I won't stand for violence or threats against our democracy. Mr. Speaker, on that point, may I update the House on the China spy case? I'm deeply disappointed by the outcome. We wanted to see prosecutions. Mr. Speaker, I know just how seriously, rightly, that you take these matters. National security will always be the first priority of this government, and we will always defend against espionage. In recent weeks, there have been baseless accusations put about by the party opposite. Let me set out the facts. The relevant period was when these offences took place. That was under the Conservative government between the years of 2021 and 2023. This period was bookended by the integrated review of 2021, the beginning of the period, and the refresh of that review in 2023, setting out their policy. These statements of government policy were very carefully worded to not describe China as an enemy. Instead,
Mr. Stewart, somebody who is on the Speaker's panel, I've told once before, should know better. Do not question my judgment. I thought it was important that the Prime Minister tells this House first rather than somewhere else. So please, this is very important to me and very important to the House. I take it seriously, so I don't need any more side comments. Prime Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The review of 21 and the refresh of 23 were very carefully worded to not describe China as an enemy. Instead, they stated increased national security protections where China poses a threat, and that the then government would engage with China to leave room open for constructive and predictable relations. The Deputy National Security Advisor, Matt Collins, set out the then government's position in a substantive witness statement in 2023, which was subsequently supplemented by 2 further short statements. The Cabinet Secretary assures me that the DSNA faithfully set out the policy of the then Tory government. I know firsthand that the DSNA is a civil servant of the utmost integrity, and those opposite who worked with him, I'm sure, would agree with that assessment. Under this government, no minister or special advisor played any role in the provision of evidence. I can't say what the position was of the previous government in relation to the involvement of ministers or special advisers. If the Leader of the Opposition knows the answer to that question, and I suspect that she does, I invite her to update the House. Last night, the Crown Prosecution Service clarified that, in their view, the decision whether to publish the witness statements of the DSNA is for the government. I have therefore carefully considered this question this morning, and after legal advice, I have decided to publish the witness statements. Given the information contained, we will conduct a short process, but I want to make clear I intend to publish the witness statements in full. Let me say this, to be clear, had the Conservatives been quicker in updating our legislation, a review that started in 2015, these individuals could have been prosecuted and we would not be where we are without. I'm happy to answer any questions on this. Mr. Speaker, this morning I had meetings with ministerial colleagues and others. In addition to my duties in this House, I shall have further such meetings later today.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Last week I visited Rayner, a world-leading provider of cataract solutions based in Worthing, a winner of this year's King's Award for Enterprise Innovation and a fantastic employer of local apprentices. So can I welcome the government's ambition to get 2/3 of our young people into an apprenticeship, further education or university, and ask the Prime Minister what he will do to ensure that every young person in East Worthing and Shoreham has the skills they need to thrive?
Thank you for this question. We want a country where young people are supported, where the quality of teaching is raised and every skilled apprentice is valued and respected. We've set a new target of 2/3 of young people to be in apprenticeships or university. That will smash the glass ceiling and renew our country. Mr. Speaker, we've supported this with record £3 billion budget for more apprenticeships, more technical colleges and guaranteed training, apprenticeship or work for all 18 to 21-year-olds.
The opposition, Kemi Bill.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for marking 4 years since the terrible murder of Sir David Amess. I know that the whole House will want to join me in remembering our former colleague. He is very much still in our hearts and minds. The way he died reminds us that the security of members and this Parliament is paramount.